Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Press Win plus X or use search to open Windows terminal or command prompt. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run the terminal with administrator privileges when necessary. If you prefer Linux tools, install WSL2 and enable the Windows subsystem for Linux feature in Settings and restart. After restart, open Microsoft Store to install Ubuntu or another distro, and then run it to complete the initial user setup. Use cdc /users /your name to change directories in Windows environments. Use mkdir projects to create a new folder and then cd projects to enter it. List files with dir on Windows or ls inside WSL or Linux. Copy files with copy file. txtd /backup or cp file. txt/backup in WSL. Remove files with del file. txt or rem file. Run the terminal as administrator when you need to perform system changes safely. Use piping with to-chain commands and/or to redirect output into files. Configure your path and environment variables to run custom scripts from anywhere in Windows. In WSL2 update packages with sudo apt update, then install tools with sudo apt install git-y. Use ssh user at host to connect remotely and use scp file. txd user at host /path to copy files securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.